Hey guys, have you ever? Wait, what was that? Nothing, just some weird noise. Anyway, carry on. So today we're diving into erectile dysfunction. No, seriously, we're talking solutions. So if you're ready to get informed, let's get right into it. Whoa there. Before we jump into the solutions, let's start with the basics. What's ED? It's when a guy has trouble getting or keeping an erection for sex, and guess what? It's more common than you might think. In fact, 1 in 10 men experience this. Millions face this. Let's talk science. So why does this happen? Well, there are two main reasons. First, it could be because of physical causes like diabetes or heart issues. Or second, psychological causes like stress or anxiety can also play a role. So it's not just in your head, often it's both. Now that we know the why, let's move on to the how to fix it. Here are 5 solutions. First, lifestyle changes. We're talking exercise, sleep, veggies, no smoking. These things can improve your overall health and make a big difference. In fact, studies show that this alone can help 40% of men with ED. That's a pretty big chunk. Number 2, PD-5 inhibitors. These are prescription meds like Viagra or Cialis. They work by boosting blood flow to the penis. But remember, consult your doctor before taking any of these. Number 3, sex therapy or CBT. This is for those who experience anxiety or stress-related ED. Studies show that this type of therapy can be very effective with a 65% success rate. Number 4, devices or implants. If other solutions don't work, there are vacuum pumps or inflatable implants. They can help you achieve and maintain an erection. And number 5, supplements. Now, before you go rushing to buy that magic pill, listen up. There are many supplements out there claiming to cure ED. However, most of these are not regulated or backed by science, so it's best to avoid them. That red sign should raise some alarm bells. Remember, ED is treatable in 95% of cases, so don't lose hope. If you're experiencing ED for more than 3 months, it's time to see your doctor. ED lasting more than 3 months may signal some heart issues, so it's better to check in. Your health is worth it. It may feel a bit awkward talking about this with a doctor, but they've heard it all before and they're there to help. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer, this video is for general information purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always seek the advice of your physician with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or treatment.